a real memory maker. This country-like location provides the perfect setting for wonderful memories. The necessities are the 3 to 4 bedrooms, the 3 full baths, the first-floor laundry, the fire-lit family room, the finished basement with a dry bar, but you'll also want to enjoy the benefits of the pool surrounded by decking and the hot tub. Or, if you're a traveler, there's a place to park the motorhome in the 22 by 32 pole barn, with 220 wiring. The wildlife is abundant as your backyard backs up to a wooded area. You're minutes from the expressway, shopping conveniences and more. It's city close, but country quiet. Call today for your appointment.